It is straightforward to find a word or a sentence in MS Word. You type something here right below your navigation and it finds you the words. And if you want something with parameters, with specifics, you can always go to Home, then find drop down and click on Advanced Find. You can match the case, you can specify prefix and suffix, but there isn't an option to find hyperlinks, or at least I have not come across a navigational function, an easy one at least, to find all the hyperlinks in a document. Yes, it is easy to find hyperlinks with their color and underline. What if the document is exhaustive? How do you find all of them? I did come across a method. Let's check that out. First, place your cursor in any one of the hyperlinks, any one of the hyperlinks. Just place your cursor, press Alt 9. Boom. Word converts your referred hyperlink into an actual hyperlink. So you see your entire hyperlink over here with a prefix saying hyperlink. This gives us the capability to find all of them. How? We'll see that in a minute. But let's make sure that all our hyperlinks, if you can focus here, wherever there were hyperlinks in Word, have been deemed this way, where it says hyperlinks and then the actual hyperlink rather than the reference that we initially saw. So once you have this, just go to your find text box, type hyperlink, and that should do it. It will identify all the hyperlinks. You can verify the hyperlinks. You want to update, you can just update here. You don't need to right click, then update the link. You can just, this is editable. So this is one of the ways that I thought would be the best to go about. But let me know if you guys have another way to identify hyperlinks in MS Word. I'm all ears. So yeah, this is the method that I came up with. It is pretty neat to find the hyperlinks in a document. I usually work with documents that are about 70 to 80 pages. It is very difficult to remember where all the hyperlinks exist. So hope the video helped and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.